There are various options of adding someone on your Telegram. But today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone by QR code in Telegram. In order to do that, let's tap in the Telegram app itself. Let's do that. And you can see at the right bottom corner, you get setting option. Let's tap in there. And now you have to search for the QR code. You can see that on the left top corner. Let's tap in there. And this is your special QR code. So by sharing this, the other person gets simply have access to your Telegram. That is, they will get directly added to your contacts. So in order to select, before that, you can see many options, like you can either choose this one. You can change colors. You can even change the background color, like this dark. I guess this is the dark mode, and this is like this is better. You choose any option, doesn't matter. It's the QR code doesn't matter. So all we gotta do is share this QR code. In order to share, you have to tap in that share QR code option. So by doing that, your other friends, whoever you share this QR code to, that friend will get all the information of your Telegram. So that is how you add someone on Telegram by QR code. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.